Hello friends, namaste and welcome. Welcome to the new oliveboard platform. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard platform. So today we are going to have a discussion of another episode of winner series. I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very well manner. So again, I welcome you all at this platform to the platform. So before starting, I would like to say that if you are preparing for tier 2 exam and you want to boost your performance and you want to check your performance, so here is the right option for you. You can check it out, this batch, right? The batch name is Score Booster MSQ batch, right? So in this batch or through this batch, you can quickly revise your complete syllabus in a systematic manner, and you can also learn some precise and best approaches, or we can say how to attempt the questions in exam with speed, with accuracy. So you can learn some best tip and techniques or tricks, right? So you can check it out, this batch. In this batch you will get 1500 plus MCQs, 90 plus live classes, mock test plus PYQ and typing test, and you will also get special doubt sessions, right? So this is very good for you. And if you are targeting SSC CGL or any exam comes under the SSC CGL, right? So we have some umbrella subscription, right? So under this you will get each and everything, right? From 0 to like at to top level, each and everything, whether it is a live class, whether it is video class, whether doubt session, whether concept class, right? Whether it is mock test. So this is SSC Superior subscription, right? So there is a 50% off on this. You can try this offer, right? So this is there is a big bang offer on this. So for this you have to use the code BIG big, right? So here we go. First question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, see, the question is saying the area of an equilateral triangle is 9 root 3 meter square. The area of an equilateral triangle is 9 root 3 meter square. Find the length of median. Find the length of median. See, we have an equilateral triangle. I hope everyone know this. Everyone know what? See, in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, right? One thing is all sides are equal, and the we can say the median, perpendicular and angle bisector, right? All are same. From any vertex we draw, whether it is median, whether it is perpendicular, whether it is angle bisector, right? So everything is represented by a single line. Everything is represented by a single line. This is also the midpoint, right? Midpoint. So we can say that this is going to be the median, right? So we can call it median, right? Angle bisector, or we can say perpendicular. Everything is same in equilateral triangle, right? So we know that. So we can say that the length of median is equal to the length of median. The length of median is equal to height, right? The length of median is equal to height. So we must know that the area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 into side square, and its height is given by root 3 by 2 into side, right? So these are the two formula, and these are the basic concept which we must know about the equilateral triangle. I hope everyone know this, right? If you don't know, so please try to learn this, right? Try to remember this. See, now the question is saying the area of equilateral triangle is 9 root 3. So we can say that root 3 by 4 into side square is equal to 9 root 3, right? So root 3 cancel. So we can say that side is equal to square root of 9 into 4. So we can say that side is equal to how much? 6. Now the question is asking what is the length of median, and we know that the length of median is equal to height, and height is equal to what? Root 3 divided by 2 into side. Side is 6. So we can say that median length or length of height, length of median and length of height is equal to 3 root 3 centimeter, sorry, 3 root 3 meter, right? 3 root 3 meter. So B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. See, such type of questions are frequently asked in your exam, right? So you need to focus on such concepts. So moving to next, tell me what is the right answer for this question. So please write the answer in the comment box, right? The more you participate in the discussion, the more learning you get. For better and more learning or effective learning, you must participate in the conversation, right? You must write the answer in the comment box. And please like and share the session also. Everyone requested, please like and share the session. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please. A number increased by 22.5% gives 98. Find the number. A number increased by 22.5. See, a number is increased by 22.5. 22.5% is mean was. Tell me what is the fractional value of this. How you are going to calculate it. 2 into 22, 44 plus 1. So here you will get 45 divided by 2 into 1 upon 100, right? So we can say that by 5 it is cancelled 9 times, by 5 it is cancelled 20 times, right? So we can say that 9 by 40, right? 9 by 40. So 40 is the initial or original number. 40 is the initial or original number and it is increased by 9. So we can say that initial and original number is 40 unit and final number is 49. Final number is 49. A number increased by 22.5% gives 98. It means we have final number. So we can say that 49 is equal to what? 98, right? 49 is equal to 98. How much time? So it is 2 times. It is 2 times. So we can say that the original number is also going to be 2 times. So the original number would be 80. 80 is the right answer. C part is the right answer, right? So this is one of the easy question and we see the easy question or such type of question frequently in our exam. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. If each edge of a cube is increased by 50%, if each edge of a cube is increased by 50%, then find the percentage increase in surface area. Then find the percentage increase in surface area. Yes, please. Tell me how you can calculate it and what is the answer for this question. See, whenever you have to calculate or you have to see such kind of questions, right, in which you have to find out percentage change, right? So you can apply the ratio approach or you can apply the formula directly, right? See, the each edge of the cube is increased. So we know that the each dimension of the cube is same, right? The side of, or we can say all three dimensions are same, and the percentage increase in surface area, right? So surface area, so directly we can use formula A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. Here the A is equal to B is equal to what? 50, right? So we can say that 50 plus 50 plus 50 into 50 divided by 100, right? So 0 cancelled. So we can say that 125% is the right answer. Yes, 125% is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, 125% is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, Mulka Masiha, you are right. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, an article is sold at a gain of 15%. Had it been sold for rupees 27 more, the profit would have been 20%, right? The profit would have been 20%. See, when price is increased by, or selling price is increased by 27 rupees, right? So the percentage gain is increased by how much? 5%. So we can say that directly, we can say that 5% is equal to 27, right? So cost price is always represented by 100%. So what we need to do, we need to calculate the value for 100%. So here we can use the unitary approach, right? So 5% is equal to 27, 5% is equal to 27. What is the value for 1%? So we can say that 27 divided by 5. Then what is the value for 100%? So into 100 by 5, it is cancelled by 20, right? 20 times. So 27 into 20, it will become 540, right? So it will become 540. 540 is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. See how smoothly we can calculate it. So we can directly say that, just write whatever is the increase in the SP, just divided by the difference between the both profit, 20 minus 15, 5%, and multiply by 100. So directly you can get the value for CP, right? So by 5, this is cancelled 20 times, 20 into 27. So we can say that 540. So in single line you can calculate this. So again, very easy question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. So let me see who is going the winner or who is going the champion of this question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. One of the very good question. If you check out the previous year questions, right? Previous year's questions, you will find that such type of questions frequently asked in your previous year exam, right? So you will frequently see such type of questions in your PYQs. So you must have good hand in solving these questions. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, do you know one thing? If we have to answer for this, we must know the one formula, right? What is the formula? XQ plus YQ plus ZQ minus 3XYZ is equal to 1 by 2 bracket X plus Y plus Z curly bracket X minus Y whole square plus Y minus Z whole square plus Z minus X whole square. Is this clear? Yes. Is this clear? So XQ plus YQ plus ZQ minus 3XYZ must be, right? So you must know this formula. If you know this formula, you can easily calculate this question, right? So directly you can say that 1 by 2 bracket, so X is equal to Y. So we can say that 333 plus 333 plus 334. So it is equal to 1000, right? So directly you can say that into 1000 into, now take the difference, right? So X minus Y is 0, right? And Y minus Z, 1 ka square 1, square of 1 is 1, and Z minus X is also 1 square 1, right? So we can say that by 2 is cancelled by 2. So 1000 is the right answer. Yes, 1000 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, C is the right answer. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Yes, C is the right answer. Is this clear? So we can say that C is the right answer. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So to answer this question, you must know this formula. So please remember this formula, because this is very important, very useful formula, right? Now moving towards next question. Next question is on your screen. Again, very important one. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, if you know the smart approach, or we can say that short trick, or we can say the exam approach, only then you can solve this without any calculation, right? With ease. If you don't know the shortcuts, so in that case you will have to solve this by the conceptual method. When you go with the conceptual method, right, so in that you have to do lots of calculation, right? So if you have good command over the calculation, you can do. See, the question is asking, if the average of 11 result is 50, the average of first 6 result is 49, and the last 6 result is 52. Find the 6 result. So if you don't know the shortcut, so you can do it by the basic concept. The sum of the first 6 is going to be 49 into 6, right? Then plus the sum of the last 6, that is 52 into 6. Then subtract from this sum the sum of the 11, right? So 11 into 50. So here we can say that 49 into 6, so 50 into 6, how much? 300. 300 minus 6, so you will get 494, right? 494. Is this clear? Sorry, 294. How much? 294 plus 52 into 6, so 300 plus 12, right? Minus 550, right? So you can say that here we will get 606 minus, so we can say that 56 is the right answer. So this is the basic method, right? This is the basic method. Just get the sum of the first 6 observation, also get the sum of the last 6 observation, then add up both and subtract the sum of the 11 observation. So by this you will get the value for 6 observation, right? So what is the smart approach and what is the exam approach? See, we know that the average of 11 values is 50. So according to average, we can say that the value must be how much? 50, right? Value how much? 50, right? So what you need to do, just take the difference. So difference is, see, 49, how much less? 1 less, right? So we can say that minus 1 into 6. So we can say that it is going to be minus 6 plus. Now 52 minus 50. So here we will get 20, right? So 2 into 6. So 12. So directly we can say that the value is going to be minus 6 plus 12, right? So directly we can say that 56 is the right answer. So this is the smart approach, right? If you know this approach, so you can solve this without calculation. Yes, Bhavna, you are right. Okay. So moving to next. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. The farmer can plow a field working 6 hours a day in 18 days, right? The worker has to work how many hours per day to finish the same work in 12 days? So here we have to consider that the efficiency of farmer and worker is going to be same, right? Because we have no information of such kind. So simply we can use here MDH formula. See, we can use M1 D1 H1 is going to be equal M2 D2 and H2, right? So the question is saying a farmer, there is only one farmer, right? Working 6 hours a day can complete the task in 18 days, right? So in what time? Worker in 12 days, right? So how many hours need to work? So we can say that the same work efficiency is also same, right? So we can say that by 6 it is cancelled 2 times, by 2 this is 9 times. So we can say that the worker need to work for 9 hours. Worker needs to work for 9 hours to complete the same task in 12 days. Simply we can say that yes, B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, Bhavna, you are right. Mulka Masiya, very good bachche, very good, that's great. So we can say that B Bombay is the right answer. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. Very good question. Try this question. Yes, please. Try this question, one of the best question. A box contains 3 orange candies and 7 lemon candies, and another box contains 5 orange candies and 2 lemon candies. If a candy is drawn from each box, then find the probability that both are of same flavor. See, both are of same flavor. Tell me, what is the answer for this? Yes, please. Yes, please. Try this question. See, I hope many of you will agree with me, or many of you are aware about the fact. See, when we are doing the question of probability, right? So we must think from the practical aspect, right? We must not go by the theoretical concept, right? See, whenever you are doing probability questions, so note one thing, until and unless the work is not complete, so you have to use multiply sign, right? Until and unless the work is not complete, so for till then you have to use multiply sign, right? Once the work is complete, or there are alternative, right, or alternatives are generating, so for alternates or either or pairs, we are going to use plus sign, right? So whenever we find alternative, whenever we see alternatives, right, whenever we see options to do the same things by different ways, right? So we are going to take plus sign in case of alternative and options. For example, if I say that I am feeling cold, right? So how and need some hot drink, right? So I got an offer, whether coffee or tea, right? So coffee is going to do the same work, tea is also going to do the same work, right? So we have option and we have to opt only one, either this or this, either coffee or tea, right? This is not going for the both one, right? So in that case, whenever you find options, whenever you find alternatives, right, you need to use plus sign. Okay, yes. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? See, a box contains 3 orange candies and 7 lemon candies. So we can say that, see, we have one box in which 3 orange candies, right, and 7 lemon candies, and we have another box. In this we have 5 orange candies and 2 lemon candies. 5 orange candies and 2 lemon candies, right? See, the question is saying a candy is drawn from each box. So we are going to draw one candy from each box, right? So until and unless we are not drawing one candy from each box, our task is not finished, right? Our task is incomplete. Once we draw one candy from each bag, it means the task is complete, right? Find the probability that both are of same flavor. If both are of same flavor, so we can say that either both are orange or both are lemon. Got the point? So we have got two options, whether both are oranges or whether both are lemons, right? So we can say that if there is a orange from both, so what is the probability for orange from one bag? That is 3 divided by total number of how much? 10, right? So we can say 3 by 10, right, into, and from second bag we are getting 5, so 5 divided by how much? 7, right? So now the task is complete. So this is the one option. Another option, both are lemon, so we are going to take plus, right? So we can say that for lemon the probability from first box will be 7 by 10, right? Then multiply, then probability of getting lemon from second, that is 2 by 7, right? So now solve this, right? So we can say that 15 by 17 plus 14 by 70, right? So here we can say that 15 plus 14 by 70, so 29 by 70 is the right answer. 29 by 70 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. C, Chennai Express is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all, right? Yes. So we can say that very good question, right? Mark it important. Very good question. So C part is the right answer. I hope this is clear now, right? So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. The angles of a triangle are 2x degree, 3x degree minus 8 degree, 5x degree minus 12 degree. What is the largest angle of the triangle? Again, very easy question. Here we are going to use the very basic property of triangle, or we can say that angle sum property of the triangle. Friends, we know that the sum of all angles of the triangle are 180 degree, right? So in a triangle we have three angles and the sum of all three angles is going to be 180 degree. So here we can say that the sum of 2x plus 3x minus 8 plus 5x minus 12 is going to be 180 degree, right? So we can say that 2x, 3x and 5x together is 10x is equal to 180 minus 20, transfer to the right side, it will become plus 20, right? So here we can say that x is equal to 200 divided by 10, right? So the value for x is going to be 20, right? Value for x is going to be 20, right? So x is equal to 20. Now the question is saying what is the largest angle? See, my dear friends, we can just observation by observation we can say that the largest angle is going to be x minus 12, right? If you are not getting observation, if you are not getting confidence which one is the largest, so you need to calculate each one, right? So by experience or by practice you can gain the confidence, right? Or by observation you can say that this is the largest angle, right? So put x is equal to 20 in this minus 12, so we can say that 100 minus 12, right? So 88 degree is the largest angle, right? See, 2x is equal to what? 20 into 2, 40, right? So 3x what? 60 minus 8, 52, right? So we can say that 88 is the largest angle of the given triangle. So D dear devil is the right answer. Yes, D dear devil is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all. So moving to next question. One of the very good question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, Bhavna, you are right. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, in triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of BAC, AE is perpendicular on BC, angle B is equal to 30 degree. See, angle B is equal to 30 degree. Angle B is equal to 30 degree and angle C is equal to 50 degree. Then find the measure of angle DAE, angle DAE, right? See, whenever we have to find the angle between angle bisector and perpendicular, right? Angle bisector and perpendicular in a triangle and both are coming from the same vertex, right? When we are drawing angle bisector and perpendicular from the same vertex, and this is a case of normal triangle, right? So there is an angle between them. So that angle is always given by, there is a property, you must remember this, right? If you don't remember, then try to learn it, right? So the angle between the angle bisector and perpendicular, that is DAE. DAE is always given by half of the difference. See, half of the difference of angle subtended or made in other vertex, right? So angle B minus angle C, right? And take the mode, because we have to take the difference of both angle, right? See, from A vertex we are drawing perpendicular on angle bisector, right? So the other vertex are B or C. So the angle between the angle bisector and perpendicular is always equal to half of the difference of the other vertex angle. So we can say that 1/2 into the difference is how much? 20, right? So we can say that 10 degree is the right answer. 10 degree is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes. Okay. So answer is 10. 10 is the right answer. 10 is the right answer. So we have to take the difference, not the sum. Okay. No problem. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Again, very, very good question. See, we must know one thing. I hope everyone aware about the median. What is median? Do you know what is median? So median is the line which is going to join, or which is created by joining a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side, right? Or we can say that a median is a line which bisect the opposite line, right? So median also divide the complete triangle in two equal area triangle, right? If we draw all three medians from all vertex of the triangle, right? Like this, D, E, F are the midpoint. So we can say that we got a point where all medians are intersecting, right? So that point is known as centroid, right? That point is known as centroid, and we denote it by G. G stands for gravity. Sometime we also call it gravity center, right? Sometime we also call it gravity center. I hope this is very much clear to you. So what is the good part of this? The centroid or gravity center always divide the median or all medians in two parts, and the ratio of both part is going to be 2:1, right? 2:1, 2:1, right? 2:1. So we can say that the ratio of AG to GD and the ratio for BG to GE and the ratio for CG to GF is always equal to 2:1. Always equal to 2:1. Always equal to 2:1. Yes, is always equal to 2:1. Or we can say that the centroid divide the median in two parts and the ratio of that is 2:1. Here the question is saying, in a triangle ABC, AD is the median of the triangle. If I frame, this is a triangle, right? This is a triangle and AD is the median. AD is the median. See, AD is the median. And this is the point of centroid, or we can say intersection point of median, right? So we have AG. So we know that AG upon GD is going to be equal 7y minus 3 divided by, sorry, this is equal 2/1, right? This is equal to 2/1, and we know that AG is equal to what? 7y minus 3 divided by GD is equal to 3y, right? Is equal to 2/1. Cross multiply, so we will get 7y minus 3 is equal to 6y, right? So we can say that y is equal to 3, right? So we got y is equal to 3. We got y is equal to 3. See, we have to calculate the value of the median, right? So we can say that, see, AD is equal to 7y minus 3 plus 3y, right? So we can say that 10y minus 3. So y is equal to 3. So 10 into 3 minus 3. So we can say that 27 is the right answer. Okay. So D part is the right answer. D, daredevil, is the right answer. Yes, D, daredevil, is the right answer. D part is the right answer. D, daredevil, is the right answer. Yes, D, daredevil, is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, to answer this question, we must know one thing. X plus 1 upon x is equal to k. So we can say that x cube plus 1 upon x cube is always given by k cube minus 3k, right? K cube minus 3k. So we can say that take 2 common from this. Taking 2 common, so we can say that 2 bracket x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3, right? So we can say that x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3 by 2, right? See, we have to answer for this, right? So for answering this, we must know the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, right? So the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube can be given by 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into 3 by 2, right? So we can say that 9 by 4, sorry, 27 by 4 minus 9 by 2, right? So taking LCM 4, so 27 minus 18. So we can say that 9 by 4, right? Yes. So here what we need to do, 9 by 4 plus 2. So we can say that 9 2 into 4 divided by 4, right? So we can say that 17 by 4 is the right answer, okay? 17 by 4 is the right answer. 7 by 8, how? 7 by 8? Sorry, this is cube, not, yes, this is cube. So 27 by 8, sorry, 27 by 8 minus 9 by 2, yes. So here we will get what? 8, 27 minus 36, yes, sorry. So here we will get minus value, right? So we can say that minus 9 by 8, yes, minus 9 by 8, yes, we are right. So minus 9 by 8 plus 2. So we can say that minus 9 plus 16 by 8. So 7 by 8 is the right answer. Yes, 7 by 8 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, you are right. C part is the right answer. Yes, Mulka Masiha, you are right. C part is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Here is the cube, right? So the cube of 2 is 8, not 4. Okay. So I think now this is clear. Okay. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Again, very easy question, right? This belongs to speed, time and distance, right? So we must know that the total distance is given by total time into average speed, right? In such kind of question, we have to apply this formula. See, Anil travels from Bangalore to Mysore in 7 hours. Total time, going and coming, right? Going and returning, total time is 7, right? No, this is the only going, right? Now the condition is he covers first half of the at the rate of 30 km and second half at the rate of 40 km per hour. See, Anil travels from Bangalore to Mysore in 7 hours and covers first half at the rate of 30 km. See, first half at the rate of 30 km per hour and second half at the rate of 40 km per hour. Okay, so find the distance between the Bangalore and Mysore. So first of all, we have to calculate the average speed. See, whenever two equal distances covered by different speed, right? So the average speed can be calculated by, what is the short formula? Do you know? I hope you everyone know that average speed is given by 2 into S1 into S2 divided by S1 plus S2, right? So we can say that 2 into S1 is what? 30, S2 is what? 40 divided by 30 plus 40, right? So we can say that 240 divided by 70, so 24 by 7 is the average speed, right? Now we have to calculate the total distance, right? Total distance is given by total time is 7 into 24 by 7, right? 7 cancelled, So 24 kilometer. I think this is, sorry, what is happening? This is 2400, right? 2400 divided by 7, right? So here we will get 240 divided by 7, right? So 240 divided by 7 kilometer per hour is the average speed, right? So we can say that total distance is given by 7 into average speed is 240 divided by 7. 7 cancelled. So 240 kilometer is the right answer. 240 kilometer is the right answer. B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes. B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Tell me what is the right answer of this question. Yes, please. Try this question. See, whenever you get negative power, right? So we can say that A upon B to the power minus m is always equal to B upon A to the power n, right? To convert negative power into positive power, what we need to do? We need to reciprocate, or we need to invert the base fraction, right? So the numerator part will go to denominator and denominator part will go to numerator, right? So we can say that we can write this minus 216 divided by 1 is to the power 2 by 3. Is this clear? Yes. Or we can write this minus 216 to the power 1 by 3 bracket to the power 2, right? Because when powers are attached with the bracket sign, it means they are going to multiply, right? They are going to multiply. So we can write 2 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 2, right? And we know that if A upon B to the power mn, right? So we can write it A upon B to the power m bracket to the power n. We can also write this, right? So we can say that the cube root of minus 216 is going to be minus 6 whole square. Now the answer is 36. So we can say that 36 is the right answer, as the square of negative number is always positive. The square of negative number is always positive. So minus 6 square is equal to minus 6 into minus 6. So it will be equal to 36. Yes. So 36 is the right answer. Yes, you are very much correct. 36 is the right answer. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. Yes, please. See, you can understand this figure like, join this, right? So focus on the semicircle, right? Focus on the semicircle. See, the question is saying two circle of unit radius. Two circle of unit radius means the radius of C1 center and C2 center is 1, right? Unit ratio. So the diameter is what? Complete is 2. Complete is 2. So we can say that the radius of big circle is 2. The radius of big circle is 2, right? So we are taking semicircle, right? We are taking big semicircle, right? We are taking this big semicircle and there are two small semicircle, right? Now I think you can remember this question, right? So this is the question which is frequently asked in your previous year questions, right? Previous year exam, right? So you might have seen this question frequently in your previous year questions. So we can say that the radius is 1 unit. So the radius of the big circle is how much? 2, right? The diameter of the small semicircle is 2. Is this clear? So I assume that the radius of this circle is r, is small r. So we need to calculate the value of small r, right? The radius of the circle which touches all three. So the radius which is touching all three is the one which is subtended or made in the upper part. Got the point? So what is our target? What is the target you identified? See, what I'm doing, this is the center. So just draw a perpendicular line, right? And join this. So here is a right angle triangle, right? Here we got right angle triangle. I am going to name it like O. This is what? C, right? And this is C1. So we can say that in triangle C1OC, right? So this is a right angle triangle. So we can say that OC1 square is equal to OC square plus CC1 square, right? So CC1 square is what? 1, right? So 1 square plus OC. OC is what? So we can write OC. We can write OC, the complete radius of the big semicircle or big circle is 2, right? So 2 minus R. This is R, right? So from O to C is going to be 2 minus R. 2 minus R. Yes. So OC is equal to 2 minus R square. So we are applying Pythagoras here. OC1 is what? This is the 1 and this is the R. So we can say that 1 plus R square, right? So you need to put here the data like this, right? And now solve this. So here we are going to apply the Pythagoras. We are going to use the Pythagoras theorem, right? So 1 plus R square is equal to 1 plus R square plus 2R is equal to 2 minus R square is equal to what? 4 plus R square minus 2 into 2R, right? So minus 4R plus 1. Got the point? So we can say that R square cancelled. R square cancelled. Transfer 4R to the left side. So it will become 2R plus 4R. It will become 6R, right? Transfer 1 to the right side. So 4 plus 1 minus 1, right? So 1 cancel. So we can say that R is equal to 4 by 6, right? So by 2 it is cancelled 2 times, 3 times. So we can say that R is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the right answer. 2 by 3 is the right answer. Yes, 2 by 3 is the right answer. Very good. One of the good question, right? So 2 by 3 is the right answer. 2 by 3 is the right answer. See, so this is all for today. This is all for today, right? So this is the SSC Super Elite. There is a 50% off on this, and this is the exclusive offer, right? On the occasion of Big Bang offer, right? So you have to apply the code BIG. What you have to do? You have to apply the code BIG, right? If you haven't downloaded the oliveboard app, please download the oliveboard app so that you can quickly have access to the free classes and free content, free study material, right? And if you have any query, so you can WhatsApp your query on this number so that we can answer. We will answer your queries, right? If you want to join the official Telegram channel, you can join the official Telegram channel so that you will have access to the all informations, all updates regarding your exam, regarding any information, right? So, and if you want to prepare yourself with us in a systematic manner, right? So go to our website, oliveboard website, oliveboard official website. You will get this kind of interface. Here there is a 50% off, right? I already told you. Just go to the course section. After go to the course section, you will get the interface like this, right? So in this interface, you can see what are the new courses, right? So just scroll down. In the 4th column, you will see the English medium courses, right? So currently we have SSC Foundation 3.0 batch. So this batch is going to be start from 2nd of December only. So in this batch, we are going to cover from 0 to top level. We are going to cover from 0 to top level. So we will start from the scratch. We will take you to the top level, right? So my dear friend, this is the best batch. If you are targeting for the next session, if your target is next session, so please right now start your journey because you have enough time. So this is the high time to start your preparation, because usually, or we can say as usual, 6 to 7 months, or we can say 8 months are required to complete the syllabus, right? Only to complete the syllabus with good exam approach, with good understanding about the concept, and with good orientation about the subject matter, right? So you need 6 to 8 months, right? So you have enough time. So my dear friend, this is the high time to start your journey. So you can start your journey with us after joining SSC Foundation batch, right? So this is the basic batch and this is the best batch, right? Another batch we are going to have Railway Foundation 1.0, right? So this is the very fresh batch targeting Railway Foundation, right? So Railway Foundation 1.0 2025. If you are targeting for the next session, right, and you want to prepare yourself from the scratch, so this is the best batch. Because if you are not having good command about the concept of the subject matter, right, so you wouldn't be able to crack the exam, right? Because nowadays the competition is very tough, right? Everyone is fighting, everyone is striving. If you are not preparing yourself in a very best manner, so you cannot boost your confidence, you cannot boost your performance. So my dear friends, so the success will be only in dreams, right? If you want to get the success in reality, so this is my personal suggestion. Just go and check it out, these batches, and enroll for this batches, right? So after enrolling these batches, so you can see the difference, you can see the learning aspects, how you can learn the basics from scratch, and you will build up a good concept and understanding about the subject matter and exam approach, and that's why you will get good confidence, right? Another batch we have Score Booster MCQ. This is going to target SSC CGL Tier 2 exam, and this batch is going to be start from 25th of November, right? 25th of November. Previous foundation batch going to be start from 2nd December, right? So targeting Tier 2, want to boost your performance, have a good command over the precise, or we can say curated tools, tips and techniques and exam approaches, so that you can speed up your speed, so that you can gear up your speed, and you can maintain the accuracy, or you can maximize your accuracy. And all these means, right, you can increase your score at least from 20 to 30 marks, or we can say till 50 marks, right? So you can increase your score, right? So these are the batches, and we have some running batches. Foundation 2.0 already running, CBT, CBT1, CBT2, RRB crash course. These are the running batches, right? So you can also check them out, and the best is you can join SSC Super Elite. Just enrolling for SSC Super Elite, you will get the access to the all courses or the all content which, or for the all exam which are going to be conducted under SSC. So this is all for today from my side. Thank you guys, thank you very much, and don't forget to catch me on daily basis at 5 p.m. sharp only on oliveboard English medium channel, right? SSC and railway coaching by oliveboard. So thank you guys, thank you very much. See you in the next session. Jai Hind.